Look what ESPN has posted. Delete one. Okay, we got Xavi, Iniesta, Sergio Busquets. What the fuck is Rodri doing there? Imagine comparing Rodri to Busquets, Xavi and Iniesta. How dare you to compare Rodri to these three legends? And you know what's crazy? This guy, Rodri, has a Ballon d'Or, but legends such as Xavi, Iniesta, Sergio Busquets, Andrea Pirlo, Paul Pogba, Kevin De Bruyne, Robert Lewandowski, they don't have a Ballon d'Or. How? Even iShow Speed has a better ball knowledge than this ESPN. Like, bro, what the fuck? And follow me